What's up guys, Chigs here from Chigs Tech Reviews. The Xiaomi MI8 has finally been unveiled. This is Xiaomi's 8th anniversary flagship device, and today I bring you a very quick overview, Antutu scores, DXOMARK, and we'll see how it ranks in our 2018 smartphone performance chart. Banggood has the 6 plus 64GB variant listed for $699 or £537 in the UK. The Mi 8 will be officially available to buy on 5th of June 2018. So I'll put the specs on the screen so you guys can have a quick read. So we have a 6.21 inch HDR10 Super AMOLED screen with 402 pixels per inch. The CPU is the Snapdragon 845 with 6 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of internal storage. You've got dual 12 megapixel cameras on the back which can shoot 4K at 60 frames per second, optical image stabilization and 2 times optical zoom. And on the front you have a 20 megapixel selfie camera. Fingerprint sensor is located on the back, so there is no on-screen sensor as rumoured, but we do have a new infrared face unlock which is supposed to be very accurate. Now you are running the latest MIUI 10 with Bluetooth version 5, a 3400 mAh battery which supports quick charge 4 fast charging, NFC enabled and dual Nano SIM cards. But there is no 3.5mm audio jack, no SD card slot, and this phone is not water resistant. So let's talk about the design. The MI8 is an all-glass design front and back with metal frame and Gorilla Glass protection. The design is near identical clone of the iPhone X. Now Xiaomi is one of the most innovative companies I've seen within the past few years, so I guess copying the iPhone X was an intentional publicity stunt to give them the maximum exposure. So now let's talk about the famous DXOMARK score. Now the MI8 has achieved a total score of 99, which is the same score as the S9 Plus, beating the Pixel 2 and the iPhone X. So very interesting results, but let's look at the breakdown to understand the score better. So we have an overall score of 105 for photos and only 88 for videos. So this tells me that the photo quality is going to be amazing, however the videos will not be looking as good. Now let's do some side-by-side comparisons with other popular handsets. So first of all, here is the MI8 versus iPhone X. So according to this, the MI8 takes better photos and the iPhone X takes better videos. So the next one is quite interesting, the Google Pixel 2. So this tells me that the Pixel 2 will take better videos than the Mi8, however, the Mi8 will take better photos. It'll be interesting to see a camera comparison between these two. So let's do one more, the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. So the photos are nearly the same, however, video quality is going to be slightly better on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. So what does all this mean? Well, it means that this is the best camera we have seen on a Xiaomi smartphone to date, challenging in one way or another the top flagship devices out there. So now let's check out the Antutu scores. There is an indication that the Antutu score will break the 300,000 barrier. There is no proof of this yet until the reviews start dropping, which I suspect will be in a few days. And when the phone does get officially tested, I will re-rank the handset accordingly. But as it stands, the Xiaomi Mi8 has taken position 1 on this chart. You can view all my charts online at chigstech.com and read them at your leisure. So there you have it guys, that was my quick overview of the Xiaomi Mi8. Now I look forward to getting one of these for myself to check out. My initial thoughts, iPhone X clone, but not a bad thing as it's slightly slimmer and lighter than the iPhone X. Beautiful Super AMOLED screen, powerful Snapdragon 845 performance, a camera which takes photos to challenge the likes of the Pixel 2. Things to consider is no SD card slot, no waterproofing, no audio jack or wireless charging. Nevertheless, an exciting smartphone from a company which has been simply impressive throughout 2018. Furthermore, there are 3 models of the Mi 8, the standard Mi 8 which I just covered. There is also a budget SE model and a special Explorer edition which does have the under-glass fingerprint sensor and a transparent back. Lots of innovative technology from budget smartphones to electric scooters, so 2018 has definitely been a good year for Xiaomi, and the Xiaomi Mi8 or Mi 8, whichever you want to call it, is now the king of performance on the 2018 performance chart. I will leave the links in the description so you guys can get more information on all 3 of these handsets. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you all have a brilliant day. See you in the next one guys.